Now, another crop that I'm putting into the root border that I've got here with my other rooted plants like the potatoes and the beetroots and the turnips and the like is onions, and we eat a lot of onions at home. So having a regular supply of onions here for pizza toppings and casseroles and stews and things is really, really good. Now, you can grow them from seed, of course, but you can also buy what's called onion sets. It's another horticultural technical term, which means just young onions like this that you put into the ground and grow, and they swell, and it'll go from that size to almost that size. There's lots of different varieties available. I've chosen some particular favourite ones here. This is stir on here, it's a white one. I've also got a red one as well. Now you get them in this packaging here. I save the old strawberry containers or fruit containers that you get from supermarkets and recycle them into, you know, handy things for me. I just rip and tip them out, and it's perfect for me to move around like that and put them into position. Now, it's the easiest thing to plant. It really is, and it's very satisfying too. You don't need a spade. What I've done is I've drawn a line out so I can get a straight line. And you need to plant them about 3 centimetres, which is nothing really. So what I do is everything's dug over here. I just use the corner of the rake, really just to go underneath, follow that line, and I just literally, corner of the rake, scrape away. We call it a drill, funnily enough, which is a line for planting. And then I just plant them 12 centimetres apart. Now you don't need to get a ruler out. All I've done is cut a little bit of a bamboo cane just to give a little guide. You can make them wider apart. If you want to grow bigger onions, you can. And I just nestle that one into the ground. Little soil around the outside. Another marker, another little onion. Keeping the string in position so you are following that line. Get them in there. Some people put them even closer together and harvest them early before they've properly swollen into big plants. So, you know, have a go. You plant them for a few years and you get your own system going. There we go. Nice bit of sunshine. Birds singing in the background. Where else would you rather be? Well, it's as simple as that. It's literally pushing it into the ground. I suppose they're called bulbs, and they are, you know, put in the ground very similar to a light bulb. A light bulb you push and twist, bayonet fitting or screw fitting, and with little onion sets you push and twist so the base of the bulb connects with the base of the soil so no water can get in and rot them. And once they've bedded in, these 4 rows, 2 of red and 2 of white, and you watch them grow. And then you harvest and eat them. I'll kid you not, there's no better flavour. One thing to do when you've planted any vegetable plant is to water it well in. That's not just to make sure that there is good water in the root ball and around the base of the plant for the plant to drink, but it also helps settle the soil. The weight of the water will fill in any air gaps with soil that's around. And then monitor your plants regularly, certainly for the first week or so, to make sure they don't dry out and they can get themselves established.